अस्सलाम वालेकुम, मेरा नाम मुल्काशिर रज़ा है। मैं स्पिरिट यूनिवर्सिटी ऑफ गोल्ड कैंपस में BSc कर रहा हूँ। माय सब्जेक्ट इज़ फाइनेंशियल टेक्नोलॉजी एंड माय इंस्ट्रक्टर इज़ सैयद अहसन रज़ा शाह साहब। My second assignment subject of financial technology. My assignment topic is PIP ENV. PIP has two meaning in financial technology. PIP price interest point in trading. A pip is the smallest price movement in Forex and crypto trading. Example, in Forex, if USD moves from 1.1000 to 1.1005, it has moved 5 pips. Pip helps trader calculate profit and loss. Pip ENV Python environment in FinTech development. Pip ENV is a tool that manages Python environment and dependencies. It is used in FinTech application to handle financial algorithm, risk analysis, and trading bots.